welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to my little channel. We're going to make slime.
Well, she means we're playing Subway Surf. So, we're going to do a challenge. Who gets more than $150? Whoever gets more, gets slime. Are you ready? You go first. Start. Start. You bumped and you only got $1. So bad. My turn. Okay, so she got $1. I got like more than $1. So I want that thing. This. Gosh, why did I fall? So what is this jump thing? Let's see, one key. Okay, so do I have this for jump? Can I jump? Oh. I just have to do it. Just let's get money, okay? Everybody, let's just get money. Key, and I got it. Okay, so yeah, I think I am gonna get the slime because I got it. No, just like I want to see if I'm gonna get $150. Well, more than $150. Yep. Just wait. So, I got more than $150. So that was just round one. So I won. Okay, I'm just bumped. Okay, so your turn.
Your turn.
No, it's your turn. You play. Play. Come on, it's your turn.
Okay.
My turn.
I got the key.
Okay, you got two more keys. You got two more tries. Turn. Don't bump into. Good job. So she just want to go peek and take a little bit of my slime, but it doesn't matter. She's my sister, so I don't care anyway. Yeah. And also, she said that her goal was that she wanted to get like a whole box of 1,000 Barbies. I was like, no, because anyway, what would Barbies? Why would the world need Barbies? Why would the world need Barbies? So, no. Okay, so yeah, this is just so fun. Oh yeah, I got a jetpack. Normally when I get a jetpack, I like to look down and I see a mystery box. I just start crying. Because I love mystery boxes. They're just full of surprises. And I'm full of surprises. And then I look down and I see a mystery box. Okay, whee! I even forgot about the hoverboard. So I got 33 more. I could just bump and I wouldn't still. Yeah! Yeah! Boo. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, so every time like I use the key after I look on the thing, it just shows that I have one. No, okay, so I have to end this video. Like and subscribe, and my goal is to get 1,000 subs. I'm just gonna open the mystery box and comment down below and hit that bell button. So, see ya. Bye.